our way of having fun in the summer. I hope you're having fun too. Grayson, ready? Go, Grayson, go. Ah! So close.
Again.
Okay, Grayson, ready? Here, you hold it. Fill it up, fill it up. Yep. Then, what sport are we gonna do next?
Do again.
No, we gotta hurry up. Grayson, let's do soccer.
Yeah, soccer.
Soccer. Okay, I'm gonna do soccer.
No football.
We already did football.
No football.
Oh, football. Grayson, ready?
Ow!
Grayson, ready?
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Grayson, ready? Okay, ready? Ready? I'm gonna take it into the goal. Yeah! Goal! Grayson, Grayson, who's back?
Huh?
I'm Batman.
I'm Batman.
Yeah, Batman, Grayson.
Where's Batman?
It's inside a treehouse. It's inside a treehouse. It's not in there. It's in there. Look in the pile. In the pile of toys.
I found it.
And yeah, Grayson. Your turn. My turn. Okay, hold it, Grayson. Grayson, ready?
Not ready.
Okay, ready? Kung Fu Panda! Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda. Yeah.
Can boop.
Okay, Grayson. Do Iron Man. Iron. Get Iron. Iron Man. Iron Man. Iron Man.
I'm gonna fly.
Nice. Okay, Grayson. Okay, ready, Grayson? This one is for the Phillies. This one for the Phillies.
Philly.
Okay, I'm gonna hit the home run. Watch out, Grayson.
If you want for Philly, then that's fine.
Home run. Home run! Yeah! Yeah, home run. Grayson.
Hockey.
Hockey. What are we gonna do for hockey? To like move it around and then shoot it. Move it around and shoot. Okay, Grayson?
Ready.
Okay, ready? Set, go.
Set, go. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, shoot. Boom!
Yeah! Yeah!
I can hear that. I can hear that. Boom,
Okay, Grayson.
boom.
Okay, my turn.
This is for the Broad Days.
Come on, Tiny. 3, 3, 3, 3.
They made a three-pointer.
Yeah! Grayson, what are you gonna do on tennis?
I know what to do.
Tennis.
So you're going down. Oh, this is gonna be easy.
Ready, Grayson?
You don't know what I'm gonna do. Yes!
Yay! You win! We win! We win! We win! We win! We win! Yes! Okay, that's it. Okay. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you're having fun during summer. Like and subscribe for more summer fun. Bye!